divided by 1 1/3. It looks like a nightmare.
It is a nightmare.
It's not. So we're going to rewrite it first. Okay? So copy this down, and then we're going to rewrite it because deciphering math is what most people struggle with. I teach calculus and math 12 and stuff, and what kids struggle with the most is taking something that looks like a nightmare and converting it into something they know how to do. All right? So, does everybody see 3 fractions here? There's that one, there's 2/3, and there's 1 1/3. All right? So the top one, does the top one ever change when you're dividing? No, so we just write that. 1/5 stays the same. This little fraction line means division. What am I going to write next? The 2/3. This is your second fraction. And then what am I putting at the very end? 1 1/3. All right. This looks more manageable. Still not the greatest looking thing ever, but more manageable, right? Okay. It's all division. So does the order we do things matter? No. So you might as well start left and work your way right. Okay? So we're going to deal with these two. 1/5 divided by 2/3. That's like every question you just did. What do I do when I'm dividing fractions? Which one do you switch? Second one. What's the second one? 2/3 is the second one in this case, right? So this becomes 1/5 times 3/2. Just leave the 1 1/3 out there. Don't even, we're not even going to worry about this. We're just dealing with these two. So now it's multiplication. How do you multiply fractions? Straight across. 1 times 3 is? 3. 5 times 2 is? 10. Can I simplify that? No. So now the 1 1/3 comes into play. But do I like it written as 1 1/3? So what do? Make it an improper fraction. What does it turn into as an improper fraction? 4/3. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 is 4/3. We haven't done the flip yet. So it's 3/10 divided by 4/3. Some people at this point will want to cancel the 3s. They'll go, oh, look, the 3s. Don't cancel them. Because we're dividing. Okay? Don't cancel until you flip it and it becomes a multiplication. So which one do I flip? The second one, the 4/3. So this becomes 3/10 times 3/4. To give me what? 3 times 3 is 9/40. Can I simplify the 9/40? You cannot. And that is your answer. So I'm going to put one of these on your quiz tomorrow. So here is your practice. I'm just going to put one question up here. Please answer that question. -4.5 divided by 3 1/4 divided by 1/8. Please. It doesn't matter. But if it's all division, I would just start on the left and work right. Okay. The way I wrote it right now, you rewrite it like this first. Because that's what this means, right? Division, these things here. mean division. Like that.